Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma portfolio. First, let's plan. Before diving into design, clearly define your portfolio's purpose and who you want to impress. Think about the types of roles you're seeking. Then, carefully select 3 to 5 of your absolute best design projects that showcase your skills. Finally, outline the key sections for each project case study, ensuring a clear narrative for your audience. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful portfolio. Now, let's get into the design phase within Figma. Focus on creating a clean, intuitive layout that makes navigation effortless for recruiters. Incorporate high-quality visuals, such as mock-ups and screenshots, and embed interactive prototypes to demonstrate your work in action. Remember to maintain consistent branding, color palettes, and typography across all pages. A polished and professional aesthetic will significantly elevate your portfolio's impact and appeal to potential employers. When presenting your projects, go beyond just showing the final product. Detail your entire design process, including the challenges you faced and the solutions you implemented. Where possible, quantify the impact of your work with specific metrics, such as a 20% increase in user engagement or a 10% improvement in conversion rates. Conclude each case study with clear calls to action, inviting viewers to explore more or connect with you directly. This depth demonstrates your strategic thinking. Finally, it's time to launch your impressive Figma portfolio. Before sharing, optimize your Figma file to ensure quick loading times, providing a smooth experience for visitors. Distribute your portfolio widely across professional platforms like LinkedIn, Behance, and your personal website. Don't stop there. Actively seek constructive feedback from peers and mentors. Incorporate their insights to continuously refine and improve your portfolio, making it an even stronger representation of your evolving design capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.